Facebook two-factor authentication code not coming. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Facebook just to make sure you have an updated version of the Facebook application. As you do that, you can see there's an option of update available. Simply tap on update and start updating the application over here. Now, as the update gets completed, what you can simply do is launch the update or Facebook application and make a long press. Now, tap on app info. And as you tap on app info, simply you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you can see the option of clear data. Tap on it and simply select on clear cache and tap on OK. As you do that, you can relaunch Facebook application and also make sure that you have entered the correct login credentials, because when you do not have proper credentials that you have logged in, then you'll be not receiving any sort of codes as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.